So this is really exciting. I am launching an online course. This is something that I've wanted to do for a long time, and I just never had the time to actually develop. And so now that I have had the time to develop, I'm letting you know about it. Sort of. If you're watching this, it means you got in on the small time frame where I'm letting people know about this course, because it's not ready yet. I've started getting it ready. It's been a lot more work than I realized it would be, but I'm really happy with the progress I've made. So the beginning of the course is ready. So what I'm doing is I'm opening the doors to the course for 5 days. So for the next 5 days, anyone who sees this and clicks on the link down below in the description can get to the course, can purchase it and get in, and get the content that's currently there, and as the course continues to develop, they can get the rest of the content as well. And all of this, because it's an early bird thing, you're getting in before the course is finished, it's at a huge discount. And I haven't even said what the course is yet. The course is going to be about, it's called Learn SaaS, but it's going to be more than just learning SaaS exactly. I don't want to just go, here's all the functionality of SaaS and go forth and figure it out. It's learning the basic functionality of SaaS, making sure you really get it. So I'm putting in challenges along the way that you have to figure out. We're going to be building actual components together, and by the end of the course, once the whole thing is done, also just looking at workflow in general and building out a full multi-page website. Not all of that is ready yet. There's currently a couple of challenges in there. There's the beginner content is ready to go. So yeah, it's not all there, but again, if you get in now, you only have the beginner content for now, but as more content is developed, that you will have access to that. You're in. You got in, so you don't have to worry about anything else. You got in at the price you paid. After these 5 days, the course will be shut down for quite a while, because I need to develop the rest of the content and get everything together. Man, I'm really nervous about this in a way, but I'm also really excited. I've had a few of you guys recommending that I start my own course, and again, it's been something that I've wanted to do for a while, so I'm doing it, and it's really exciting, and I'm nervous, and but this is something I wanted to do for this year, and so it's getting done, and it's the beginning of the year, so I'm starting on the right track. So yeah, if you're interested in this, you can click the link down in the description below. You can find out more about the course over there, the type of content that's currently available in it, and a bit more of what will be planned for the future of the course. It's all written out, and you can find out everything there. So thank you a lot for watching this. If you have any questions about the course, feel free to leave a comment down below. Or again, there's a lot more information over on the courses page. So yeah, thanks once again for watching, and I think this is going to be a lot of fun. So yeah, go check it out.